Right, park assist. So we've stolen this Land Rover Discovery 5 commercial. It's a commercial. It's not got any back seats in it. It's like, George reckons it's the dog pound van. But right, anyway, we'll do a review on it later. But this video is one of the trick features it's got on it. And it's actually quite useful for a commercial because you've got no visibility out the back. You see here, this is just like a plastic thing. So one of the features they fitted on this one, but this is HSE, is the self-park assist. So we have set up two fine Honda vehicles here. And we've got one there, and we are going to drive past here. And we think it should fit. So George, you show them from the side there, you should see the little... So we're pretty much square at the back, aren't we? But we've given it a little bit of a gap at the front. So apparently, I've been reading the instructions for chain. Apparently you can do 9 manoeuvres and then it'll stop. So it'll do 9 forwards and backwards to try and get in a space. But let's see, let's jump in the car, George, it's getting windy. Right, so to activate the park assist, we've got to press this little thing here. And then it should come up with some instructions for us. I think we have to be in drive. Let's try again. Yeah, it didn't go in. I was still in reverse. So you obviously have to be in drive. We're going to drive past here, and it's searching for parking spaces. So let's have a look. Can it find we've got a parking space there? Will it deem that big enough or not? Come on, that's big enough. We'll get a bus in there. No. Oh, it's found it. Bingo. Right, so we've gone a little bit past it, but right, let's go back. Right, so what did it? So it says reverse with care, and it's got auto. So in theory now, I should take my hands off the wheel. Now, if you put your hands back on the wheel and twist it, it will apparently cancel it. Now, I've never done this before. You ever done this before, George?
No.
No. Right, here we go. How are we looking, George? Have a look out the back there.
Good.
That's good. I am doing a little bit of braking, I've got to be honest.
It's
right,
weird.
Look at the camera, look, you can see the... So it's still got the parking sensors going, and we've got a bit of Armaco barrier next to the side of it. How close are we on that Armaco, George?
Oh, you're good.
Right, now it says drive forwards with care. Now I've taken, hold on, it's still going backwards, isn't it? Is it what happens if it keeps going backwards? It's still going backwards. If I take I just want to see if I disobey its instructions, what it's going to do, George. It won't let me crash into it.
Yeah.
It's going to let me actually crash into it, is it?
Wait, do you want me to get out and actually...
Have a look, see if it's going to crash into it, George. I mean, I know I'm disobeying it.
Yeah. It looks like it. You're very close.
So you can't just let it do its thing, can you? Because that is how close am I, George?
Like, very.
Like very.
Yeah.
Like, all right. Let's obey its instructions then. So let's go jump back in, George. Right. So I've selected drive. Whoa! Look! I selected drive. It's doing that. Right. Here we go. Now, so it's on auto. Is it going to tell me to? Right. Now it says go back. Okay. So you gotta. Right, here we go. Watch the wheel. You got to catch that wheel every time it goes. Auto. Right, drive forwards. Right, watch the wheel. Oh, you missed the wheel. All right. How many manoeuvres have we done now?
Stop. It says stop park assist complete.
That's it?
Yeah.
You serious?
Do you want to go look at the results?
Should we go and have a look at the results? Is that said it's complete, is it?
Yeah.
Can I not just back it up a bit just to get central in the space? Well, it didn't centralise me in the space. Right, so we reckon that's it, do we?
Well,
yeah.
Right,
let's go and have a look how well we've parked, shall we? Right, that's us parked. Now, it's not too bad, but it isn't too sharp either. Let's go around the front and have a look. Now, I know the Discovery's slightly wider than But look, it's half out in the road, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's half out in the road, and has it got more room this side? Got... Yeah, I'm not. You try that again, and you film it from the outside, George.
Yeah.
Have a look, see what it does. All right. Well, let's do the exit. Jump in, George. Apparently, it can get us out of the space as well. Right. So let's have a look. So we are going to go and park, and we need to exit now. So right, indicate. So use your indicators to say, do we want to go out that side, George?
No.
No. Right. Let's go out this side. Right. Right. And then it's select reverse to begin manoeuvre. Watch the steering wheel, George. Right. Auto is the auto, right? And then now it says drive forward. You have to watch that though. You have to be on the brakes. You have to. Right. How are we looking on that front corner, George? Have a look out the window with your camera.
I think you're good.
Oh. Now when it boings, that is the change of direction. So it bottled it. It should boing. That's it. When you get that boing. Oh,
done.
That a little, you're out. Does that booming? I'm on my own then, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to do that. Right then, George, I'm going to put you outside the car. I'm going to try and do it a bit quicker this time. And just have a look from the outside how it looks like it's dealing with the manoeuvre. Right, so let's have a look. So this is its second parking. I think it's still parked out in the middle of the road a bit. If you go from the front again, George. I think it's... I'll tell you what, George. Should we have a go if I can park it better than the thing? Should you have a go?
Go on then.
Right. I don't think I did much better, did I?
Don't think so.
No. So there you go. So I'll take it back. It was a trickier space than I thought. If we just have a look round, we haven't left a lot of room to manoeuvre, have we? We've got a couple of foot at the front there. And so I don't think it did too bad a job. I think it could be better. But I think it's done as good as I did. Do you like my little graphic I snuck on my Land Rover? Won't look into it.